so today is going to be quite a exciting video. I am actually going to be testing this teeth whitening kit. So this is the professional teeth whitening from SMILESCIENCE. Now this was in Costco's for about 14, maybe 12 or 14 pound, depending on the VAT. But I have seen what's the high sample is this? This is a 10-day treatment, but I have seen a 7-day treatment in B&M's for a tenner. So what I thought is, if you would like to try and get, like, if this is good, you could get the 7-day sample from B&M's. That's what I'm saying. But I thought I would test it and show you, because as you can see, like, I haven't got the whitest of teeth. What I thought I'd do is I'll do initial showing you me putting this on, trying it, first impression, and then I will do an update in 5 days, and then I will do an update in the 10 days, so once I've used the whole treatment up, and see if it actually makes any difference. I am very self-conscious about my teeth. I have got bent tooth here, but I haven't got a Hollywood smile, and I'm just normal. I should have got braces when I was a teen, but I was like, no, I don't want braces and stuff like that. You think yourself, I wish I had braces, because now I'm the one that looks like a fool. Whereas when I was younger, yes, I didn't look like a fool, but now I look like a fool. Well, I said I don't look like a fool, but you know, I wish I had braces. Do you know what I'm saying? I hope you know what I'm saying. But I haven't got the whitest of teeth in anyways. I'm a tea drinker, I'm a coffee drinker, I'm a Coke drinker, and I'm a wine drinker. I don't smoke, thank God for that, so I don't have to worry about that. But I drink coffee, I drink tea, and I at least have 15 to 20 cups a day. Got to be. I drink Coke, and I drink wine. Not as much now, but I do drink wine. So we'll see if this does any good. But anyways, I'm going to come in closer and show you my teeth. That is my teeth. And now I'm going to read the instructions out to you. What I'll do is I'll take it all out, read the instructions as I'm doing it. Right, so I've just took it out. I've got like this thing in like a filey type packet. I really would love a table in front of me. Then I've got these 2 syringes with like little sealy lids on. I'm going to put them there. I really don't want to drop them on the floor. I've got a little manual. Then I've got the little light thing. So that's good. I've got the pre-stain remover. Now on the picture, this pre-stain remover is blue. This is like very pale blue. It's not as blue, I don't know, as it is on the picture. And then we've got these 2 pointy syringe things. I've just wiped my hands and wiped my lip gloss off while I was doing all that. So what it says here is, it says, twist open the pre-stain remover, use the oral swab applicator attached to the cap, and scrub the upper and lower teeth. So that is this, yeah. Just double checking the other instructions. Oh look, it's got a teeth shade guide. Should we do my teeth shade actually? I'm definitely, I think I'm more like 9 or 8. So I'm pretty, yeah, I'm definitely not a 16, but I'm definitely more stained than not stained. But I would say I'm between the 9 and 8. So let's see how many teeth, how much I can go forward in this. It says to twist open the pre-stain remover, use the oral swab applicator attached to the cap, and scrub the upper and lower teeth. So basically it's scrub your teeth with this doe foot thing. I've got a cotton pad here so I can wipe it before I put it in that. Oh, it smells like the dentist. So I'm going to literally scrub the upper and lower teeth. It says be careful to avoid spilling the liquid when using the swab. Doesn't say why. Next is remove batteries and plastic film from this little light thing. And then reinsert the batteries, attach mouth tree to LED light. Done that. Now it says remove the white cap on the whitening agent syringe, screw on the syringe tip and squeeze out half of the whitening gel onto the inside front section of the upper half of the tray, so the gel will cover the front part of your teeth during the treatment. Repeat this process for the lower arch of the tray. And then switch it on. But it says it's a 10-day treatment, but it doesn't tell you what you do after this. Like, do I use this every day for 10 days? I don't know. Right, I read it wrong. It's 1/2 ml. So that basically you use 1/2 ml on each thing. So half of one of these. I was thinking you used half of this tube on the top, half of this tube on the bottom. Oh my God, how thick am I? So you use a 1/2 ml. I don't know if I read that out right. So we'll do that now. We will do that now. So you use this every day for 10 days. I will tell you now, Ian just scrubbing the teeth on this one little tooth where I've got a tiny little chip. I don't know if you're supposed to use this when you've got chips, mind you. I'm getting a bit of sensitivity already. That could be me being paranoid, but it's definitely hurting a little bit. And I've got quite healthy teeth. I've only got one filling, and that's from when I was a child. Right, so we're going to put a 1/2 ml on this. Right, I've done that. And then it says, leave in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. The light acts as a catalyst and aids the whitening process. Remove completely after 15 to 20 minutes and retain from eating or drinking for 15 minutes after this. And then it says, repeat this process for both upper and lower teeth once per day until your teeth have reached the desired shade of white. Note this mouth tray can be detached and rinsed for further use, so that's good. So I'm going to put it on, put a timer on my phone for 20 minutes because I feel like my teeth are quite yellow, so we'll give them that extra boost. So yeah. Right, I've just went and done it there, and do you think my teeth look anyway? I don't. They look exactly the same, but obviously it's the first time. First impressions, my God, here on my mouth is so sore. Like, I wore it for, I think, about 18 minutes. I didn't quite get the 20 minutes because honestly, I was just so sore. So I don't know if it's like this for all of these, but this is rather large. Like, I struggled getting my teeth in, as you've seen. Now, people say I've got a big mouth. Like, well, maybe they just mean like I'm gobby. Probably that. But you can even see that, so. But we're going to try it works. I mean, if it does work, it's a good budget one. And the sensitivity on this tooth has gone pretty much straight away, to be honest. And I didn't have no sensitivity up to now wearing it, but I mean, granted, I've only had it on once. So I'll try it again tomorrow. I just went and did the housework with it. I got a really funny look of somebody walking by my window. But hey everyone, so today is my final update on this SMILESCIENCE teeth whitening kit. This one was bought from Costco's, as I said earlier, and you can get it in B&M's for a 7-day trial. I actually done a 10-day trial. The Costco one was 10, whereas the one from B&M's is 7, and the one in B&M's is $9.99. And I've checked a couple of B&M's and they have actually got it. So this is the kit here. So like I showed earlier, you've got the light, things like that, and it's, I done a picture from day 1 to 5, and then this is day 10. Today was my last day. I don't know whether I feel like it's whitened my teeth. We're gonna go through it anyways, but I definitely can, on the day 5 picture, definitely can see a difference. But is it majorly like results? I mean, granted, this is a, sorry, I'm so uncomfortable. Granted, this is a budget teeth whitening kit. But it's very mild, the results I did see on the pictures, but I will put them here because, like I say, I haven't thoroughly looked at them. And I will say that I found it very uncomfortable, the thing to wear. I felt like my mouth was just full of saliva. And on day 3, I felt like I was going to be sick of it. Now, I got used to the feeling, but I think I had like day 1 and day 2 it was uncomfortable and I was like, I don't like that. And then day 3 I was getting to the point I had to stop it at 15 minutes. I was wearing it because they say 15 to 20 minutes. I was wearing it every day for the 20 minutes because I wanted to whiten my teeth as much as I can. But I did stop on day 3 at the 15 minutes. I don't know if it's just because my mouth wasn't used to doing it every day. After day 3 where I felt like I was going to be sick and I stopped at the 15 minutes, I kind of tried to do stuff while I was wearing it, keep myself busy so I wasn't thinking about it, and that seemed to have helped. But I will say it's not the most comfortablest thing ever. So when we done checked it on this, I said I was either shade 9 or 8, I think, didn't I? So this is my teeth now. So I said I was either shade 9. So here's shade 9. So I definitely think my teeth are whiter than shade 9. Definitely think they're whiter than shade 9. So we'll go with 8 to 10. So I think I'm between 7 and 6 now. So I think I'm between 7 and 6 now. So it's definitely, I think it's moved me up 2 shades. So I said I was between 9 and 8 or 10 and 9. And now I say I'm between 6 and 7. So is that a shade or 2 shades? Yeah, I feel like, so it has worked. So it definitely has worked. I mean, I haven't got the most perfect smile. I will say I didn't give up tea. I didn't give up coffee. I still have my cups of teas. I still have my cups of coffee. I think I would have got better results if I did give them up, but then that's not realistic because I'm not going to give them up in real life. Like, after I've finished this program, I'm not going to give them up. So I definitely think it has worked. If it was like a £50 teeth whitening kit, I would say stay away. It's not worth it. I want better results than this if I was paying £50. But this was £13 or £14, and the one in B&M's is 10. But granted, that's 7 days. I done 10 days, so your results might not be as good. Different people's teeth whiten at different rates and all. Like, I always find like my teeth don't whiten very much off teeth whitening, toothpaste, things like that. But if your teeth react well with that, and I think that this would work for you. I did find sensitivity on the first day when I rubbed it with that stuff, but I've had no sensitivity whatsoever since. Not one bit. No toothache, no nothing. So I think that's good and all, because I can get toothache. Cold can make my teeth cool, so things like that. So I'm very happy. I don't think I've got the whitest of teeth, but I'm very happy with my results off this. Do I think you could get these results with like a tooth whitening toothpaste? Probably. But I think it's all down to your preference and what you want to try. You've got the lamp, you could buy the refills now. It's pretty budget friendly. Doesn't hurt your teeth. So I think, yeah, it's worth giving it a go. You can only try, can't you? So it definitely was worth the money it cost. Would I pay more? Definitely not. That's my 2 pence on it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something different. But if you like these type of videos, I've got another one coming soon. So stay tuned. And if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.